Good morning, Standard 8. Today we will learn some adjectives about chapter 10 language. Okay, there are three words I am writing: sorry, wild, large, and yellow. Okay, before going to describe these three words, I will come to the point. What is the definition of adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words, right? Adjectives are the describing words that are written before the nouns, okay? And it describes the noun of its kind. What kind of noun that is? As example, I have written on the board, there are three words: wild, large, and yellow. Suppose I added here a noun: tiger, tiger, and another tiger. Now see this phrase: wild tiger, large tiger, yellow tiger. Right? So these are the words I underlining. Okay, I am underlining wild, large, and yellow. The noun is same: tiger. Tiger. It is a wild tiger. It is a large tiger. It is yellow tiger. Okay. So these are the words describing about the tiger: wild, large, yellow. Right. So these words are said to be adjectives. These words are said to be adjectives. Right. So we knew that adjective modify nouns. Right. Here the tiger, what tiger is what? Noun, and the adjectives are added to the noun to describe the kind, their type, their kind. It is a wild kind tiger. Size, it is a large size tiger. Color, it is a yellow color tiger. Right. So in this way, by modifying a noun, an adjective gives more information about it. Right. By modifying the nouns, adjectives gives more information about the noun that is tiger. Let us see some other sentences. Saying, sit in the red car. Okay. Next one, the patient has pale face. See, the rusty nails caused the infection. Okay. In this sentence, you don't need to look about whole sentence. Just first word. We knew that adjectives are added to the nouns. So first we will mark out the nouns. They are used in the sentences. Sit in the red car. This is my noun here, car. Next one, the patient has a pale face. Face is a noun. Okay. Then the rusty nails. Nails is my noun. Right. So these are the nouns. Noun can be thing, it can be person, it can be living, it can be non-living, right? So before them, what words are right? Let me encircle. Red is written before the car, pale is written before the face, and rusty is written before the nails. Right? So the word I have encircled are describing about the word written in the box. Right? That is car, red car. Okay? What color of car that is? We say colors, the red color. So red is our adjective here. Then the patient has a pale face. Pale face, you know, pale face means some what? Drying face. Okay. So that is pale face. What kind of face it has? Right. And the rusty nails. Yeah, rusty, you know. Rusty and nail is the noun. So rusty is another one. Rusty means what? That is already corroded. Okay, that may cause infection. It is also true. So here what? The word adjectives are adjective modifying the noun. Right? Modifying the noun in each in the sentence, as you can see. Adjective not only modify the noun but also modifies pronouns. Noun and pronoun. Both. Okay? See. Another sentence. My father purchased a car. It is blue one. Suppose someone says blue one. Okay. First sentence. Second sentence, we will talk about only a brave few have been honored on Republic Day. On Republic Day. Okay, see here in this sentence. Here is my father purchased a car. This is a noun phrase, right? And it is used here. It what is written? It is written here in place of what? Car, because car is a noun, right? And the blue one is also written for what? Car, right? So it is blue one. It is pronoun, then blue one. Only a brave few. Okay. Brave few have been honored on Republic Day. Only a brave few means some brave persons or some brave soldiers. Okay. Not saying who are the persons, only a brave person, not some few, some very little brave persons or little brave soldiers. Okay. They are only been honored on Republic Day. So this is also adjective. Right. This is all about the introduction, how we will find out adjective and how it modifies noun and pronouns. Secondly, we will see the different kind of adjective. Okay. What are the different kind of adjective? The different kind of adjectives may be, as we have seen in the previous most classes also. Okay. Let us revise one by one. Adjective of quantity or descriptive. Quantity or descriptive. Quantity or descriptive. This is one kind of adjective. Okay. Descriptive adjective are those adjectives which describe the nouns or the noun phrase. For example, we say a strong horse. I said a strong horse. Okay. Here, in this example, strong is an what? Adjective. Okay. Describing what? Or qualifies what? Horse. About the noun horse. Right. So, these are qualitative, descriptive. If we say Gandhiji was an honest man, okay, this is also Descriptive. Napoleon was a brave soldier. Napoleon was a brave soldier. Napoleon was a brave soldier. Was a brave soldier. Napoleon was a soldier. Okay, but he was a brave soldier. So this is it. The word brave describes about how Napoleon soldier was. Okay, this is all about the descriptive. If we say about the quantitative, then we say, suppose I say quantitative. This it qualifies the quantity. Okay, there is some water. There is some water in the glass. Okay. Next one. He has little intelligence. Okay. See in this sentence. There is some water in the glass. Means here the adjective describes the quantity of the noun. Quantity of the noun we are talking. Okay. That provide the answer always how much. Uncountable. Okay. How much. So here see. Water is what? Uncountable. So how much water? Some water. So this sum qualifies the water in sense of what? Quantity, right? Similarly, intelligence. He has intelligence. How much intelligence? Little intelligence. Right? Little intelligence. So here little qualifies the intelligence of his. Right? So these are quantitative. So we can say that quantitative adjectives describes the quantity of the noun being talked about, and always here the answer provided is how much. Okay. Another type of noun, another type of adjectives we see here, that is, sorry, this was all about quality and descriptive. Quality adjective, okay, quality or descriptive, and these two says about quantity, right? Quantity adjectives. Next we will talk about the numbers adjective or adjectives of number. Adjective of the number tells us the number of things or the people. There may be, the number may be ordinal or cardinal. Okay, and the answer to the question is always how many or which one, right? If we say there are 3 rooms in my room, there are 3 rooms in my house. Okay. Next sentence I will say Sunday is the first day of the week. Right? See here. There are 3 rooms. 3 is the number. And first is also a number. Right? But the difference is that 1, 2, 3 we are using, they are called the cardinal adjective. Cardinal. And first, second, third, they are said to be ordinal. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, these are ordinal, and the 1, 2, 3, 4 they are called cardinal adjective. Like this is all about the adjectives of what? Numbers. Okay. Only 2 sentences Adjective or number, only two sentence describes the cardinal and the ordinal. Just you have to see whether it is written 1, 2, 3 in the form of 1, 2, 3 or first, second, third. Okay. Next type we will see, that is the demonstrative adjective. In case of demonstrative, we have seen much more. In case of demonstrative, right? We say in case of demonstrative what? These are the adjective to point out the specific noun, right? To point out the specific noun. I say this man, okay, this umbrella is black. Then that umbrella is white. These umbrellas are sweet. Here, then those mangoes okay. These umbrellas, these apples. You say apples. Okay. Are what? Written. Okay. So see here. Demonstrative, in case of demonstrative, these, that, these, those are used. We know that. And the plural of this will be these, and plural of that will be those. Right? Umbrella is black. Color saying color. What type, position, right? Situation, position, whether it is ripen or green or what. These are the demonstrative adjective. Okay. Interrogative adjective, we know interrogative means what? WH questions, right? These adjectives are used to ask the questions only and are followed by the noun, they. Noun, they qualify. They have a place at beginning of the sentence. Which shirt, we know, we say which shirt will you wear? Whose son is he? What music do you like? So WH words. Okay. These are the interrogative adjectives. In case of distributive adjectives, we use what? Remember, each. I say each child received a gift. Okay. Next one I say every man, every word. Okay. Each, every, either. Okay. These are the distributive words. Either book will be helpful. Every man has hired, right? Or hair. You can say. Next we will see some more about possessive adjective. Possessive what you know? Mine, your, his, her. Okay. Have you seen my house here? Suppose I will say, have you seen my house? Have you seen my house? Here, mine is the possessive adjective. This is your. This is your car. Okay. Here, it is also possessive adjective. But in this case, you must know that mine's and ours, they are the in exceptional case. Okay. They do not count under the possessive cases. They are the exceptional case. Next, if we say participle adjective, this is important. Participle adjective, this is very, very important. And participles, in case of present participles, okay, there comes the rule, that is present participle, that is verb plus ing. This is the form of present participle form. Okay. We say the burning train picked everyone. Okay. Here the burning, burn plus ing. Burning is the participle adjective. The rising sun is worshipped, right? Worshipped. Here rising written before the noun sun. Rising sun, it is in the present participle form. And in the past participle form, the verb comes in the what? Third form. Either in ed form or third form, whatever it is. Okay. We say the tired man sat under the tree. Means a tired. What the tired means what? This is the third form of verb. Tired, tired. Third form of verb. Or we say that is V3. Okay. The burnt cake sweated none. Okay. The burnt, what burnt is come under the third form of the verb. Right? Position of adjective. Rina found a nice friend. Okay, Rina found a nice friend. It is a position. She is beautiful. It is also a position. Rina feels happy. It is also a position of the noun saying yes or no. Now, this is all about the adjectives. Secondly, we will see some degree of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of adjectives, as we have seen in the previous or before chapters. Okay. First one is positive degree, second one comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degrees. Big, India is a big country, I say. Okay. Big, bigger, biggest. In case of adverb also we have seen, right? So here India is a big city. If I will see, I will say India is a big country, not city. Okay. Sentence 1. Sentence 2. Kashmir is as beautiful as Switzerland. Okay.